Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question 1. What are Nasiruddin's stories famous for? Answer. Nasiruddin's stories are famous for their amusing nature. They are very interesting stories because they deal with the experiences of day-to-day life. Question 2. Which anecdote from the lesson you like the most? Why? Answer. I like the second anecdote the most because it is the most humorous and it tells us that appearance is often deceptive. Question 3. Explain the point of laughter in the last story. Answer. The point of laughter is that when Nasiruddin told the man that he had already lent his donkey, at the same time the donkey brayed and Nasiruddin's life was exposed on the spot. Question 4. How were the thieves treated by Nasiruddin? Answer. Nasiruddin treated the thieves in a humorous way and told them that he could not face them as there was nothing worthy of them in the house. Question 5. What was Nasiruddin's explanation to the gardener? Answer. At first Nasiruddin told the gardener that he had been blown to the garden by a wind. Then he told him that he took hold of vegetables to stop himself from being swept away, and thus they were uprooted. Finally, he told about the fed sack of vegetables that was just he was wondering about when he interrupted him. Question 6. Have you ever come across a humorous person like Nasiruddin? Compare. Answer. Yes, there is a humorous person like Nasiruddin in my neighborhood. He is about 50 years old and always does unusual things to amuse the people. People enjoy very much with his humorous behavior. People like to meet him and he always tries his hard to amuse them. Question 7. Write a note on character of Nasiruddin using the evidence from the lesson. Answer. Nasiruddin was a famous person. The age in which he lived is not exactly known. The country of his birth is also unknown. His interesting and amusing stories are famous all over the world. People read his stories and often quote him in their conversation. From his stories, it is evident that he was a humorous, interesting, and clever person. He was very entertaining person. He had the quality of facing any difficult situation. He was most learned and experienced man. He had been a tailor, a merchant, a doctor, and a judge.